Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own tools for ceramics and sculpting. It's really easy. First of all, you need some wood. You don't need actually to find a piece of wood like this. You need to saw it into pieces and use a little bit of a knife, some sanding paper, and of course a little bit of skills, and finally you will get perfect tools for your sculpting and your ceramics. Now I'm left-handed, and as a left-handed I know many things are made for right-handed people. So when I started making these, I found out that just by sanding and keeping it in the right spot and using my own grip, I get the perfect tools for everything I want to do. And of course you can design your own tools exactly the way you want. You can have bends, you can have twists, you can have round shapes, really sharp pointed tools, and yeah, everything is made the way you want them to be. It's really easy. So let's start. I hope you enjoy this, and please remember, if you like my videos, click the subscribe button. I often use apple, cherry, lilac or teakwood. Slow grown trees are the best for this. Now let's start from a clean table. It might get messy. You need a piece of wood, or you can actually have some sticks of wood. You need a knife, and for the finishing you need some sanding paper. I use 120 grit and 320 grit. If you want, you can use coarser paper, 80 or 100, and finer grit like 400. This is the best you can get. It's a net and it won't clog, and it's also perfect for dry clay. Start by choosing a stick. Then use your knife to make the right shape. Be careful. I usually push with my thumb to have control of the knife. When you are satisfied, take the sanding paper. A small trick when sanding is to bend the paper so it sticks to the surface. This way it's easier to sand. Start with a coarse paper. When you're satisfied with the shape, use a finer paper. Finish it up and it will fit perfect in your hand. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time.